How was you trying to do tonight, though?
No.
You trying to?
Duh.
Huh?
Duh.
Alright, then I'm gonna pull up. Then, alright.
Alright.
Yeah. I'll call you when I'm on my way.
Ianja. Oh, wala ya falar. Ianja, come here. No. Carry your phone, come.
Why?
Just carry, come.
Oh my gosh. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. You know what? We see this video just posted just now. I'm like, just get a watch and say, you know what, man, now I don't have the time to do a reaction to the soft soap what them call Razablade. You understand what I say? So I watch the video, I skim through the video, and I see him talk a bag of talk, and I go on like, he might go on the most way, right? And over edit the video, be a sound effect, and like watch the whole video when I say something about boxing, like me talk my challenger. Yeah, talk about visa. Brother, I never see come to America yet, brother. The place only people see which place you go. Where you go? Trinity. Where you go? Cayman Islands. Like, bruh. Me not my video, I say me a father Jamaica. So look out for it. But at the same time, Razablade, me see you do something. I don't know if you think you win. I don't know if you think you win, but in the video I say you call the beautiful Ianja. Ianja was looking thick, by the way, in the video, just saying. You understand? Thanks for showing us Ianja, because we know why you not show her more. You understand, on the channel here. But as me I say still, you do something but me I say no make no sense. Like me are the type of YouTuber, I'm smart. We watch and we learn from the same person if we don't realize. People out there don't owe me attack. Who are the good on YouTube? Me still, but before me. You know what I mean? But man, I'm gonna see it for myself. When there? Which part is that? I'm called Ianja. Come know what you up to now. So right here, so.
Why?
Just carry, come. You don't put on the clothes, just come to the side. So
we know say Ianja fully clothed. Were you in the house?
Come, by the way.
Which one?
Anyone of them have Instagram?
Bag of sound effect thing. Where that I go? Like, come on, Raza.
I want to know.
Just give me information. What is it? Yeah, I'm going to show you the King Petty right now. So
Big. Biggest petty. Hey.
What's he doing?
That's what I know. Tyrekevlogs. Okay, where you black people on Instagram? Alright, baby, so we'll talk to you. See you for it.
We prove with that. Remember, people, I promise you, are rating Ianja's Instagram pictures 1 through 10 though. Razablade, let me show you something. Razablade. I am Tyrekevlogs, you understand me? I'm the most, what could I say? I'm the smartest YouTuber there is to ever be. You understand? Like, I expected this from you because we know say you call yourself King Petty. Yeah, whatever you want. Yeah. But I'm the smartest YouTuber, people. Like, I promise you, I'm gonna do a video. I think I'm gonna allow myself to get black before me actually get the work done. People, look at this, people. Who is that in my phone right there? I don't have to have her Instagram to have her pictures, sir. Wow. Is a snack. Wow. As I say, people. Hold on, they want some more. What? People, look on the picture here, people. Rating video I post tomorrow. You understand what I say? Rate video I post tomorrow. So, as I was saying, Focus back on me and put my camera. Razablade. Smartest YouTuber out there is me. I learn from the best. I learn from the GOAT. You understand me? And then through the course of it, I still not see I address the matter as being, you know, as accepting the match. You all talk about you have friends that can pull up. Nobody knows family. That stuff. You understand me? Then your bag of editing thing. That's why nobody do a reaction for that video. You know? I did not do a spiteful. Didn't do a reaction. You understand me? But so watch a video and see where you're depend. So I go look at Angel about a little bit in that video and see what I go on because. Do you remember what you say so? What you say so?
I guess I can't go fast on your Instagram again.
I already have our picture of them. So.
Yeah, follow already. That stuff. That is stuff. Yeah, follow already. We say when I don't have sense now. That's why I'm going to spam our page too.
Alright. Yeah, give me pause. I want to see Andra. Because I start with them, I'm not going to lie. I see something going on. I like seeing them. I love that party.
Reaction boss. Anyway.
Andra played me too.
Hold on. On the reaction.
People. Look on that party.
Squad. What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy.
Reaction boss.
I saw no say Andra watch Tyrekevlogs long time, you know, people, but you know, even don't want to feel, you know, we're looking at you can see the eye water them eyes still for the look watch it. You know? And him tell her to say that. When if you tell nobody to say nothing, you tell her to do that. You tell her to do that. But most want to see Andra, so go and talk.
Where does come look at?
Reaction boss. On the reaction boss, I know it's ready.
Yeah, tell her.
Yeah.
Why you tell her to do them things, yes, sir? Why? Just why? I not even want to show you, but just go and talk it out.
Reaction, man.
Oh, Lord, where's the angel? Just see Angel a while ago. Just see Angel a while ago.
On the reaction boss, I know it's ready.
Be a sound effect, be anything like Razor. Come on, bro. Come on.
Yeah, reaction, man.
Alright. I thought she didn't have on no clothes. Wow.
I really see some people go back in some video and go like and even comment and say, yo, but did miss that one.
After they come cry to the people about them for like a video, oh well, without the boy reaction, really.
And truly, I appreciate them, I'm not gonna lie. When somebody make an effort for you, but they never have to do, I have to appreciate it. You see what I say? So, never see if I can stick around. Anyway, make we focus on the task at hand now. Reaction boss. Anyway, impose Razablade got mad because they got mad because I smashed the end of bubble wrap. Because I smashed.
First in him life him do that, people. Watch it. Like first Razablade ever do this in him life. First. Watch him.
Razablade got mad because I smashed the end of bubble wrap. Because I smashed.
First in him life. First in your life.
Wake up, you have wet dream. Anyway,
first in your life. First in your life him do that. You know what? I'm gonna make the rate video right now for you. You understand me? Black. Smarter than that, brother. See how that picture look like a 10 already. But Razablade, I tell you that. When it comes to the YouTube thing, and the wrong person you choose to do this with. Like, you see me, I say, I'm not give a reaction to it, but I'm not give a reaction. I'm just come talk to the people and make them know the rate video still forward. You understand? But this a whole half of him like a post a video. I do post a video. And it's a soft soap. And that make a put in the tie cut because you play. People. Tomorrow, rating Andra pictures 1 through 10. I'm open and stick around. It's gonna be a treat. Hold on. Before I cut something, you said something in the video about me a lip or whatever, right? Razor. I'm not a woman, you know. But we can make calls. We can make calls. I mean, I make a call for you right now. I'm showing you say showing what's up. You understand? Hey, what's up?
Hello.
How you doing?
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I didn't hear you. What?
I said I'm laying down.
Oh, I thought you said you was playing the game or something. What was you trying to do tonight, though?
No.
You trying to fuck?
Duh.
Huh?
Duh.
Alright, then I'm gonna pull up. Then, alright?
Alright.
Yeah. I'll call you when I'm on my way.
What time you going?